Hong Kong-style egg tarts are a well-known Chinese pastry. They are small tarts filled with a smooth, lightly sweetened egg custard, often served at dim sum restaurants, as well as Chinese bakeries. Let's get started. First, we'll make the pastry. Place the flour in a big bowl. Add room temperature unsalted butter. Cut in the butter and mix until it's evenly distributed throughout the flour. Next, sift the icing sugar into the bowl. Mix them together. Add some beaten egg. And mix and knead until the dough comes together. Continue kneading the dough until it's smooth. Then cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now we'll make the egg custard filling. In a bowl, beat the eggs. Add the sugar. Add the milk. And add the water. Then mix all the ingredients together. Strain the mixture into a measuring cup. If you want, you can strain it once more to ensure that there are no lumps. Now put it in the refrigerator while we work on the rest. Here I use small tart molds 6.5 centimeters or 2.6 inches in diameter to make the egg tarts. Evenly divide the pastry into 12 pieces. Form each piece into balls. To avoid sticking, place them on a piece of plastic wrap. Use the flat surface of a knife to gently press it into a round disc, about 7.5 centimeters in diameter, or about 1 centimeter beyond the perimeter of your mold. Place it in a tart mold. Using your thumb to gently press it down. Then line them on a baking tray. Pour the filling into the shells until they are about 90% full. Preheat an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the shell becomes light brown. And they're ready! Enjoy your delicious Hong Kong-style egg tarts. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.